Part 1. Directions.
In this part of the test, you will read aloud the text on the screen. You will have 45 seconds to prepare. Then you will have 45 seconds to read the text aloud.
Begin preparing now. Begin speaking now. Begin preparing now. Begin speaking now. Part 2. Directions.
In this part of the test, you will describe the picture on your screen in as much detail as you can. You will have 45 seconds to prepare. Then you will have 45 seconds to speak about the picture.
Begin preparing now. Begin speaking now. Part 3. Directions.
In this part of the test, you will answer 3 questions. For each question, begin responding immediately after you hear a beep. No preparation time is provided. You will have 15 seconds to respond to questions 4 and 5 and 30 seconds to respond to question 6.
Imagine that a company is doing research in your area. You have agreed to participate in a telephone interview about listening to podcasts. When was the last time you listened to a podcast, and what was the podcast about?
Begin speaking now.
When listening to a podcast, do you use a computer or a cell phone? Why?
Begin speaking now.
What are the advantages of listening to podcasts compared to reading books when you are learning something?
Begin speaking now. Part 4. Directions.
In this part of the test, you will answer 3 questions based on the information provided. You will have 45 seconds to read the information before the questions begin. For each question, begin responding immediately after you hear a beep. No additional preparation time is provided.
Begin preparing now.
Hello there, it's me, Alyssa. I'm supposed to hold an interview with someone, but I forgot to bring the applicant's resume. Before the interview, I want to check out the resume. Could you help me out by answering some of my questions? What school did Rebecca get her bachelor's degree from?
Begin speaking now.
We're looking for someone familiar with the computer applications we use. Is there anyone on Rebecca's resume that suggests computer skills?
Begin speaking now.
Can you give me all the information you have about Rebecca's work experience?
Begin speaking now. Part 5. Directions.
In this part of the test, you will be presented with a problem and asked to propose a solution. You will have 45 seconds to prepare. Then you will have 60 seconds to speak. In your response, be sure to show that you recognize the problem and propose a way of dealing with the problem.
Now, listen to the voice message.
Hi, this is Quinn. We talked on the phone a couple of days ago. I hope you remember me. Well, as I mentioned earlier, I'm running a small coffee house of my own near the neighborhood's community college. The business was doing okay due to many students coming in to buy coffee and drinks. But I'm worried now because I have heard a big famous franchise coffee shop will come in right next to my store. I'm concerned that my business will go down and hurt my profit. The franchise coffee shop will be 2 times bigger than mine, and the menu is very much similar. I know people often prefer franchise coffee shops over small independent coffee shops. How can I change the way I run the cafe without going over budget? Do you have any ideas about surviving with a large franchise business opening in the local area?
Begin preparing now. Begin speaking now. Part 6. Directions.
In this part of the test, you will give your opinion about a specific topic. Be sure to say as much as you can in the time allowed. You will have 30 seconds to prepare, then you will have 60 seconds to speak.
Some people think that family members are the most important influence on young adults. Others believe that friends are the most important influence. Which do you agree with? Explain why.
Begin preparing now. Begin speaking now.